So here are my top 10 takeaways from the Finnish island of Åland. Well, going there and back again.
Nimeni ole Sven, se on Martin ja.
Would you look at that? That's my boat coming in. Oh yeah.
Yes, let's talk about my takeaways from my trip to Åland, the Finnish island of Åland, where you go there with a ship and you get off, you get onto another ship and you go back right away. Here we go. Do you need a passport to go there, or is it okay to just have a national ID card if you're Swedish?
Here we go. QR code, yes. Check in. Yes, show your ID at the checkout. Yeah. Ticket for boat and ticket for meal.
But what is then the main reason for Swedish people to go there? If they don't go onto the island, they just go there, change the boat and go back. What is the reason for them going?
So you might think that most people take this trip to see the ocean or to step on and off Finnish ground, but no, it's the tax-free shops. Alright, we got 2 of these chocolate bars. I got a big bag of Reason for my wife, and I upgraded my headphones because my old ones, my Urban Airs, are falling apart.
Next we have an observation that concerns the lunch.
When people are waiting outside a gate to open for lunch, it's kind of like dock workers in the old days when they were waiting to get like a job for the day. It's that feeling.
But I do have to say something about the lunch on the boat.
The food is great. Love the food.
Gambling is an excellent way to spend time and money.
Let's try this out. Close one more time. Close again, but nothing.
One of the things that kept happening was that people assumed that I was Finnish.
At the end of my meal, this person working there came up and said, and yeah, something different language-wise, please. Have you seen my language challenges?
When you go on a ferry cruise towards any part of Finland, you will hear Hotel California. They say that the Swedish cities of Gothenburg, Malmö and Karlskrona are windy, so what's it like on the sun deck of a Viking Line boat?
This place is windy. It's very windy. There's a part of me thinking, if the wind catches me, I'm gonna fall over. Not good.
Yes, I'm on that boat over there. No, I'm on this boat, but I was on that boat. I know. Magic.
And perhaps the thing that's even more tied into the notion of taking a ferry towards Finland, that is karaoke.
Well, I guess it wouldn't be a trip to Finland if there weren't karaoke.
So those were my takeaways from my day trip to and back from Åland Islands, Finnish islands out in the Baltic Sea. Give me your impressions of what you think. Have you been on any of these cruises? What was your impression? Did you sing karaoke? What song did you sing? Did you sing Hotel California? It's very important questions. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I will see you the next time you click on any of my videos. Bye.